Since we're talking about this, are you dating Mokaya?
No.
You know, if you lie, I can tell that you're lying. From a smile.
I know what you want to do, but you cannot do it to me.
I can't.
No, we are not.
You're not. No. You're just work partners.
You know, when you date your partner, kazi itaenda. Kasi sasa imagine, sahi tuseme ni date Mokaya, then nimone kwa set na dem mwingine. Ukifanya hata content fulani yenye nataka huyo dem lazima amshike mkono, then niko hapo, so unadhani nitasmile tu niseme hey, content iko smart, ndio si obvious na feel vibaya. Ama nikimwona anaenda pahali then fana na mruke Mokaya.
So you just decided that both of you are just going to be exclusively partners for work. Work partners only.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Yes.
Sawa basi. If you insist.
Michelle, no.
It's okay.